Hello everyone, today we are going to basically work on graph of cubic function. This is exercise 7a of D3 7th edition. So question number 1 is, you have to draw basically a table which have to be completed. An incomplete table is to be completed, and the equation for this one is, this is exercise 7a, question number 1, book is D3, and question is the table below. Okay, we have got a table, and in this table we have values of x and the corresponding values of y, like this. This is x, this is y. So when x is minus 3, we don't know y. When x is 2, y is minus 8. When x is minus 1, y is missing. When x is 0, y is missing. When x is 1, y is 1. Okay. And then when x is 2, y is missing. And the last one, when x is 3, y is 27. So we have to fill in these blanks which are empty, whereas we have been given the equation that is y is equal to x cube. Okay. So first part A is copy and complete the table. Complete the table. That is simple. Complete the table. Okay. Now that is how you are going to complete the table. You simply need to put the value of x, which is minus 3, over here. So when x is minus 3, find y. Y will be minus 3 cube, and that will be minus 3 cube is minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Okay, we got 1. When x is minus 3, y is minus 27. Fill in the blank. Then we have to find the value of y when x is minus 1. Okay, when x is minus 1, you have to find the value of y, which is equal to x cube. In place of x, use minus 1 cube, so y will be equal to minus 1. As you know, cube of minus is a minus, right? Minus 1 over here. Then when x is 0, put x equal to 0, and that is quite simple. 0 cube is 0. Okay, and then we have got this one, when x is 2. When x is 2, well, what is the value of y? Y is x cube, and x is 2. So 2 cube will give you y equal to 8. So I completed my table quite successfully. Then part B is our graph. First of all, need to draw a coordinate system. Okay, let us give a try. Y-axis, x-axis. Fine. And they have told us that we have to represent on x-axis. They have told us that 2 centimeter is basically 1 unit. Fine. And on y-axis, what is on y-axis? We have 5 units. 2 centimeter is 5 units. Okay, that's it. Now, drawing the graph on the board, let me give a try. So this is, suppose, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 2 centimeter is 1 unit. 3, 4 centimeter, 2 unit, 5, 6, 3, 7, 8, 4, 9, 10, 5. In this way you can draw. And similarly on the y-axis, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, this is 5 centimeter, and that is basically 2 centimeter is 5 units. So I am wrong here. So on y-axis, 2 centimeter is 5 units. Okay, this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and that is 5. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 10. 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 15. 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 20. Okay, again 2 centimeter, 25, and again 2 centimeter, 30. So this is positive y, this is positive x. Similarly over here, this is 1, this is basically on y-axis 2 centimeters is basically minus 5. Then again 2 centimeter, minus 10. Then again 2 centimeter, minus 15, and then again 2 centimeter is minus 20, and so on. Similarly on the x-axis, 2 centimeters is -1, then 2 centimeter -2 again, mean again add -1, then 2 centimeter -3, then 2 centimeter -4, then 2 centimeter -5. Okay, got my graph. So you need to plot the graph for what values of x. The range of x is -3 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 3, whereas range of y is -27 is less than equal to y is less than equal to 27. For these values of x and y, I need to plot this graph. Well, that is this one. So when x is -3, y is -27. When x is -3, this is x-axis, x is -3, y is -27. Okay, need to go a little bit further, -25. Okay, this is -30. Okay, so when x is -3, y is -27, maybe over here. Okay, locate the point over here, like this and like this. Suppose -27 is over here, this one. -3, -27. Then when x is -2, y is -8. X is -2, y is -8, maybe over here. Okay, got it. Then x is -1, y is -1. X is -1, y is -1 over here. Right here, right here. Then x is 0, y is 0. This one. Got it. X 0, y 0. Then x is 1, y is 1. X is 1, y is 1. This is 5. This is 2.5. So we are over here somewhere. Like this. Okay. X is 1, y is 1. Then x is 2, y is 8. X is 2, y is 8. 8, maybe it is 5, 10. Then the 7.5 is right above it. This is x2, y 8. This is 5, this is 10, this is 8. Then we have x3, y 27. x3, y 27. Okay, got it. That's my graph. Now join it like this. Okay, I got my graph for y is equal to x cube. What's next? Okay, so this graph is for these range of values of x and y, and scale I have told you 2 centimeter to 1 unit on x-axis and 2 centimeter to 5 unit on y-axis. What is next? Use your graph to find, that is basically part number C1. Find y when x is 1.5, and part 2 says find x when y is 12. What will be the value of y when x is 1.5? What will be the value of y when x is 1.5? So where is x 1.5? Okay, x is 1, 2, this is x 1.5. Locate x first of all and then move vertically so that you can touch your graph like this, and then move towards y-axis to find y like this. So this is approximately, this is 0, this is 5, this is 2.5, so that is almost 3.5. So y is 3.5 when x is 1.5. The second part says what is the value of x when y is 12. Where is y-axis? This is y-axis. Where is 12? 5, 10, 15. Oh, this is 12.5. So 12 must be right under 12.5. Move horizontally so that you can touch the graph, and then move downwards on the x-axis. So that is almost, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2.5, then that is almost 2.3. In this way you can find the values from the graph. I hope you understand the question. Still you have any query, comment and subscribe.